Hi, Maggie. I'm going to give you oral feedback today on your lesson plan because I chopped off the top of my finger the other day in a cooking accident, so it's hard for me to type at the moment. So looking at your lesson plan, more aware of the three R influences. I'm not really 100% sure. Do you mean how how the letter R influences vowels and different letters in a word? That's what I think you're doing. And maybe that's the word study that you're doing this week. And if that's true, that sounds good. I like that you're using Shel Silverstein. I assume this is a poem. And if so, poems are wonderful for fluency. So I really like that idea. Sorting is good. Oh, I see that now. The three R influences. Okay, that makes perfect sense. I think sorts are great. So especially for word work. I know that you guys are really working hard on your stories, so that you've been working on. So I love that you're using the storyboard. Sounds great. But I also like that you've got a book that you're reading as well. In addition, you've got your narrative that I know she's been diligently working on that. So really, I love the story graphics or the storyboard to really help kind of her think about comprehension and the small text that you're using with her. And it sounds like your balance between that and the writing is pretty good. So nice job. See you soon. See you on Tuesday.